comet is one of the most famous comets discovered in 1986. It was discovered when it passed the closest point to the Sun, and it is one of the comets that is very bright and visible to our eyes. In general, comets are celestial bodies made up of materials such as water, ice, and rocks that orbit around the Sun in the surrounding space of the solar system. Heli-comets are also made up of these substances, but they are named heli-comets because they contain helium atoms. Heli-comet is one of the fastest-moving comets in the universe. For this reason, the comet becomes excessive at its closest point to the Sun, and each time it emits a very bright light and is visible to our eyes. Comets were created in the course of space evolution over the past few million years. When the solar system was formed, these materials gathered together to form comets. Comets are beautiful when they are observed from Earth, and they are also exemplified in many cultures. Also, comets are known as one of the sources of material found outside the solar system. As the material contained inside the comet is released into the outer space of the solar system, it is also affecting the evolution of matter in the universe. Thus, Heli-comet plays an important role in the study of material evolution and cosmic generation in outer space. There are many comets in the solar system. These comets are largely divided into short-term comets, long-term comets, and periodic comets. A short-term comet orbits in an area relatively close to the Sun and evaporates as it gets too close to the Sun, giving it a bright light and forming a tail. These comets are usually made up of matter that enters the solar system from the outer regions of the solar system. Long-term comets orbit the Sun, literally hundreds to thousands of years. These comets are weaker in brightness and tail length than short-term comets. A periodic comet is a comet with a very long cycle, orbiting around the Sun at intervals of tens to thousands of years. These comets are made up of materials introduced from the outer regions of the solar system, which are larger than long-term comets. Also, comets vary in name depending on their orbits. For example, Comet Holtz-Tut is a periodic comet that orbits the Sun once every 76 years, and its orbit extends to the inner regions of the solar system. In addition, Tempel 1 comet is a short-term comet containing trace amounts of iridium. Made up of fine particles combined with numerous dust and materials such as rocks, and its orbit is located in the outer region. Finally, the Rosetta-Toffer comet is a long-term comet discovered in 2014, which provides important information on the composition of its internal material through large-scale analysis. These various comets provide important information about the history of the solar system and the evolution of the universe, and comet exploration occupies an important position in the history of human space exploration.